Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we can cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So the square root we change by u. S plus 1 ds we change by u du. We simplify and you got about du. The integration of this one you got about u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.